In this video, we are going to conquer recognizing elements from their electron configuration. So who am I? We have 3 electron configurations that we're going to look at. And basically all you're doing here is counting the superscripts. So we have 1s2, so the 2 is a superscript. So all these little numbers, all we do is add them up. And that tells us who the element is. Well, we have to use the periodic table. So the first 3 right here, this always adds up to 10. And so then I have 2 and 1, so 10 plus 2 plus 1 is a total of 13 electrons. So you want to look at the periodic table and see which element has 13 electrons. So that would be aluminum. Aluminum has 13 protons, and that is what the periodic table is telling us, but it also has 13 electrons when it's neutral. So that's it. So this is aluminum, and I'm just going to put the symbol. So it's pretty easy to do that. We'll learn another way, but for now, this is how we're going to do it. All right, the second one, same thing. The first 3, that's my 10. And then I have another 10. 6 plus 2 plus 2 is 10. So this is 20 electrons. So that was pretty easy. So then we pull the periodic table. Who is number 20? And that is calcium. So that one wasn't too bad either. Just put Ca for calcium. All right, the last one is a really long configuration, so that's a lot of counting. And so I like to do it in groups of 10. So I know this is 10. This group is 10. 6 plus 2 plus 2. So that's another 10. And then I have this group. That's another 10. All right. So over here, I've got a 9, a 2, and a 6. Well, 9 plus 1 is another 10, and that leaves me with 7. So we have 10, 20, 30, 47 electrons. Okay, so you pull your periodic table out. Who is number 47? And it is silver. So the answer to the last electron configuration is silver, which is Ag.